Okay, let's be honest. The same companies that are selling us food are also selling us the pills to fix what the food breaks. But before I share a couple of really important health hacks with you, be sure to watch to the end for a very important announcement. So, here is the problem. From your shampoo to candles to those things that they like to call healthy snacks, we are surrounded by chemicals and toxins that are only designed to keep us sluggish and slow and sick all the time. They like to call it convenience or wellness. I like to call it controlled sickness because a population that's exhausted and distracted is a population that's not going to ask questions. So here's a solution. Start small. Get rid of the scented candles, get rid of the scented fabric softeners, and keep electronics away from your bed at night. Fill your mind with what actually heals, like positivity and peace and joy and prayer. Become a label reader and a Bible reader. Remember, God designed our bodies to be healthy and strong. And I don't think our bodies are the problem. I think the broken system is because they can't make money off of us if we're healthy, you know? Follow me for more faith-based biohacks because real health starts when we stop believing their version of normal and remember that discernment is our superpower. Oh, and that important announcement you probably already noticed. I cut my hair. I hope you like it.